Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look at the gold market. Well, there was really a significant discussion of the gold market in our weekly research because the situation here is really blur and a bit sophisticated. Speaking about the short-term perspective, in our thread on weekly forum we said that this price action looks not very impressive and it's not look like some upward continuation, some thrusting action that is typical for the potential double bottom pattern. That's very choppy and sloppy price action. It's very gradual with a lot of different retracements, long shadows, so that mostly look like the retracement after this move. And from that perspective, the odds looks preferable for downward continuation rather than fast acceleration to the upside. But now market stands at the level that could clarify this development, because you can see market yesterday has tested the weekly pivot support 1 and simultaneously has hit weekly pivot resistance 1. Usually weekly pivot resistance 1 should hold the retracement and the market stands in some bear trend. If market will move above it, that will be the challenge and the possibility that market will still proceed higher. That's why this level is significant for us. Another moment why it's significant, because that is also, you can see, bearish engulfing pattern, and that is the 50% resistance of that thrust, that move down. Although gold mostly likes 618 retracement, but still that is the 50% resistance, and depending on how market will behave there around this area will depend whether it will continue to move higher or it will move to the downside. Another moment that is significant for us here is this support line. We need to see as the first clarification that market probably will continue to move lower. We need to see that market will break through it, and maybe it will simultaneously will move below the weekly pivot point. We'll see it. From the another point of view, we can't point currently and can't be focused on two extended moves to the downside, two extended targets. We have discussed this moment in our thread. Mostly this comes from the extreme oversold condition on the monthly time frame, and as the potential target is better to focus on the previous lows. It's around 1320 area. Hardly market will be able to pass through it significantly at the nearest time. So we said that in the long-term perspective we should be focused mostly on some sort of the range trading, since market stands in the range of the significant plunge down on the weekly time frame, and that's very often happens when some significant candle holds overall price action for the long period. So you could see it, the plunge on April holds almost for more than the month, about on 2 months action inside of this range. That's why the borders of this range becomes really significant support and resistance lines, and that's why the next destination probably will be the support of this area. But this is a bit extended view. In today's trading session we should be focused on this development. Let's take a look at the details on the lower time frames. On the 4-hour time frame we see the support line that still holds. Also we have two patterns that is forming here. This pattern butterfly that we have discussed already, but currently, well, it's not quite reasonable to call it as the butterfly, because due to this significant retracement down, the shape of the butterfly becomes really it's a bit goofy looking, since market very rare forms some sort of the butterflies. Probably it's better to treat it as just the extension of that swing down. It's 127 extension of that swing rather than the butterfly. I just have drawn it since we have discussed it previously. Also take a look that this extension stands at the same level as this target of this pattern A, B, C bottom, 100% extension. Market very close to it. Now we have the potential for another butterfly that has the 127 extension also around this area. And I think that market in fact could reach this level before turning to the downside. Now to deal with this butterfly, we have to watch for this swing, particularly for this low, because if market will take this low, it will erase the potential for the butterfly, and that will be the sign that probably market starts moving down. Until this low will be taken out, the possibility for this butterfly and reaching of this 1430 areas exist. That's why as scalp traders, as positional traders, should be focused on this most recent butterfly. Here is how we could do this. That's our swing of the butterfly. That's the invalidation point of the butterfly. Here market approach to this support line. That is also will be confluence support of this most recent swing up. That's the 1402, 1404 area when the market will hit it. Well, if you're a scalp trader, you could be focused on the potential entry right here with the target around 1430 area with the stops somewhere below these lows. That is ultimate stop. But if even market will erase this thrusting action to the upside by taking out of these lows, that will be already the sign that probably market will not hold here and hardly will continue move higher. In this case, market probably will continue move lower. Positional traders should wait for either reaching of the 1430 area, since it could become the reversal point, as you can see this significant resistance area, or erasing of this butterfly taking out of these lows. If market will move below 1380 area, will take out of these lows and break through this support line, that will be the significant sign in favor of downward continuation. That's two moments that we should watch for on the gold market. That being said, scalpers could be focused on the 14 even area as the support the market could re-establish to upward action. Positional traders should be watching for the breakout of the 1380 and erasing of the butterfly to the downside, or wait when the market will hit 1430 area as the target of multiple extensions on the 4-hour time frame, since that could be the area where market could show the starting point to the downside, or at least probably will respect it with some deeper retracement, because this will be really significant resistance. That's in fact all that I see currently on the gold market. It's not great opportunities for trading, but that is all that we have currently right now. So decide whether they will be attractive for you. Would you like to trade these potential setups, or you will prefer to wait another one that will be a bit more will have more clarity and be more reliable.